Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, your time. So, a quick weekly recap on Euro USD. Let's see what we had between I think 20th, yes, 20th to 24th of January 2025. Okay, so for my view here, I can boldly tell, we can boldly see that we had markets take out this equal high, right? Remember, your best the best way you can get hold of the markets is by checking it from the higher time frame down to your lower time frame. And you need to understand the market is booked on liquidity. Market is extremely booked on what? On liquidity. So you want to see what market is doing at least from the weekly time frame as a day trader. But probably it should be from your monthly to your weekly to your daily, your 4 hours. Then you can go anytime you want in that. So let's see what occurred here from our weekly time frame. So we had a beautiful takeout from this equal lows, and price was reacting from an order block. And remember that another block attached to a fair value gap is a strong order block. This is a fair value gap here between this and this. You have your fair value gap here between this and this. So sorry about that. You have a fair value gap here. You have a fair value gap here. You get that? So market just took out these equal lows to take out this high. No, your highs and your lows are what? They are our external liquidity, right? So we have market take out an external liquidity. What are we expecting? We're expecting price to return into an internal liquidity, then also continue to have our upside movement. So this is my new target. This is my new target. So we've seen market take out an external liquidity that is a old high. Then once market return into what? Into an internal liquidity. So quickly, what we have here, we have a fair value gap. Can you see this? Like, you need to train your eyes to see this. You need to train your eyes to see this. So there's a fair value gap here. Market did this, returned into what? Our weekly fair value gap. And there is a huge block here. This block, this doji block. These are internal liquidity reference points. So you go back, you go down to your daily time frame. What do we see on the daily time? You can see that we could have refined our weekly order block to a what? A daily time frame. Can you see this? So let us take this off. We know that price has come into our weekly fair value gap, so we can just add this to be as as possible. So we don't have problems in charts. Keep your charts clean as much as you can. So we see markets return back to the order block, right? So for that week, I was quite bullish. Even though at first we didn't quickly see a clear move to the upside. However, let's see how we would have engaged the market for that week. Okay, so what we can see here, within our daily time frame, within our weekly reference points, we could see a clean sweep here, right? There was a sweep here, and there was a slight breaking market structure on this side. Yes, there is a breaking market structure on this side. So what do you want to do? You want to mark your order block. You want to mark your order block, and okay, this happened in the previous week. This is on Friday. This is on Friday the 7th. So that happened in the previous week. So let's see what happened for this week. So the market came down into this order block, this blue zone. Let me make it gray so we can have distinction between this and the general daily. Let's not forget that this zone right here is our daily order block. Okay, so we had market. This week I was seeing this point as a liquidity. Yeah, I was seeing this point as a liquidity point. That is, I was expecting price to come below, so that position myself better. Once you mark your reference points on your 4 hours, then you are looking for a clean break market structure, either on your M15 or your M30. You get that? You're looking for a break market structure on your M15 or your M30. So throughout the week, we didn't really have a clean PMS within that zone. It's lying below a liquidity. Can you see it's below this liquidity? You can check the beginning of the video to understand it better. So what do we have here? So remember, we're looking for what's a clean PMS on your M15. So we had a liquidity sweep here, and we have our PMS. Guys, look at this. You need to train your eyes to see these things. Let's take this off so you can see our price action properly. Where is your entry point? Your entry point is exactly at your fair value gap. Remember, I told us your fair value gap. That's where your entry point is. Your fair value gap. Your fair value gap, because there are times the market would not get to your order blocks. So you set this way. your stop loss below. So this is a 20, and let me add, I love to add to my stop loss a little bit because they might not pay. Okay, so let's keep it at 26 pips. So let's see how beautiful the markets played out. Remember, once you take your entry from your M15 or M30 within your 4 hours time frame, within your 4 hours reference points, you want to keep your take profits at the next 4 hours reference point. And this is next 4 hours, this eye here, this eye, guys, this eye. That was the previous eye, this eye. That's your target. So what do we have? We had a clean 1:3. So that's 1:3. So since we are picking this trade from a daily time frame, let's see if we hold it. If we hold from your daily time frame down to this point, that is below this other block, just to be on the safer side, this other block, just for us to be on the safer side. You can see the market is coming to this eye, this buy side liquidity. But what if it doesn't make that movement as swiftly as you want to? So you can pay yourself within this other block. This other block is highlighted here. So what do we have? We had 1:1, 5.9. Imagine 5.9. That is, if this play out well. Oh, sorry. So we see this happening here. Yeah, from here. You see, you get it. Yeah. So back to your 4 hours. I hope you got what I did. You know, your entry points on your M15 or your M30, then your reference points for your take profits on your higher time frame. So if we're considering this eye, or this eye, we had 1:3. For this eye, we should be looking at 1 ratio 5.3, 5.3 weeks to reward. That's a very beautiful trade. That is, if you took this trade with $1,000, you should be getting $5,300 as your profit. That's beautiful, right? And if you use $10,000 and do your maths, that should be about 50,000. No, that should be about 53,000 US dollars. So that's that on Euro USD, Euro AUD. So for this week, for the new week, what I'm expecting price to come a little bit lower, then give me another clean breaking structure on either my M15 or my M30. Then I shoot from there. So you can see that we had the fair value gap here. We have a fair value gap here. So we want to see markets, we want to see price return. So probably let's see what Monday and Tuesday play out. So return into this fair value or into this other block. Market should return to this reference point. Then what's have a continuous movements to the upside. So guys, this is my anticipation on Euro USD for 27th of this month. So 31st, that is a Monday to Friday, January 2025. Thank you. See you. Have a good trading day.